Okay, guys. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching us from. I know a lot of you have started working on your. I want to quickly share some, my thoughts here as far as this coin is concerned. Now, when you go to the screen now, you will see how the coin is performing against the BNB, right? All right. Now, the Ash token has been bearish since last year. Okay, so you can easily see on the chart. Let me pick an arrow here that we are bearish. Okay, so you can only be thinking about what? About sales. Okay, you can only think of selling this coin, not buying the coin. So when you invest in, you ask yourself, okay, why am I buying this coin? Why am I holding it? That means you have the expectation that what that this price is what is going to go up. Currently, we are around 1.3, no 3.8 cap. Okay, let me quickly show you something over here. I want to make this video as short as possible. All right, so market cap is around 3.8 million US dollars. Right, you can see it over here. So now, there's a probability that our price is going to go up, but you see, you need to have confirmations. You understand? You need to have confirmations. What are you going to look at on the chart that shows that, hey, my guy, it's time to buy this coin, it's time to hold this coin, and believing that what is going to go up. Okay, so in trading or in investing in Bitcoin or crypto or any other forex or whatever, well, now you have a trend over here, isn't it? So price is actually what? Bearish. So now these are the old supply zone. Now this particular zone that was in September last year, where we saw this coin drop into this level. Okay, we got a reversal and it dropped again. So giving us these two supply zone, this and this. Now currency price is over here. Today is what? 13th of March. You can see. So what do you do? Before you can buy this coin, what you do is to wait for what? A change of character. A change of character. Okay. You wait for that. You wait for the 5.3 or 5.4 or 5 million market cap to be broken. So quickly, let me pick a line over here. I think that should be a path that will easily guide us. So you can see that the coin is actually going up currently. Now, if you see that price breaking above this previous supply zone, that is your sign. Now, don't forget that this is what the daily time frame, the daily time frame. So it might take some days, maybe maybe 1 week or 2 weeks for price to break above this supply zone, right? Then we can look for what? A fair value gap or a demand zone that caused that change of character. Then we can begin to buy the coin to the upside, looking at maybe the 10 million market cap, or even let me see the 20 million what market cap. Okay, so currently you can do how do you call it? You can buy, you can open you can have your account, okay? You have your Ash BEP20 down, okay? And also have your wallet also ready, okay? Then you have to wait for these particular confirmations before you can begin to buy the coin and hold it, isn't it? Because if you buy the coin right now and it happens that, let me pick the path sign again. It happens that this price move into this previous supply zone or the one that gave us this brick of structure, price can begin to come down again. So even though you hold the coin, price is going to come down. So that means your coin value is going to depreciate from 3.85 market cap all the way to maybe 1 million or even below 1 million. You understand? All right. So it's a good initiative taken by our colleagues, but it's important that we are sure that it's time for this not going to begin to go up. If not, there's no need to buy the coin right now. Thank you so much for the time.